Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 306. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter a Google app. Tap button in the top right corner and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Now go back, enter lock screen, also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers with a high of 68 and a low of 49.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.